Today, I'm going to show you how to mail merge in Gmail, step by step, using a simple tool called Yet Another Mail Merge, also known as YAMM. This is a super useful method if you want to send personalized emails to a list of contacts without typing each message one by one. It's perfect for outreach, newsletters, client follow-ups, event invitations, and any situation where you want each email to feel personal while still saving a ton of time. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to yamm.com. On the website, look for the Install button and click it. This will begin the setup process for the Mail Merge extension. At this stage, the goal is to connect YAMM with your Google tools so it can work with both Gmail and Google Sheets. Next, connect your Google account when prompted. This part is important because the tool needs permission to access your Google Sheets and Gmail account in order to send your messages properly. If you're using a work or personal account, just make sure you're logged into the correct one before you continue. Once you approve the connection, you'll be redirected to the Google Workspace Marketplace. From there, click Go to Marketplace and install the extension from the Marketplace page. Follow the prompts carefully and complete the installation. Google may ask you to review permissions, and that's normal. Since this tool works directly inside Google Sheets and Gmail, it needs access to do the mail merge correctly. After the extension is installed, go back to the same YAMM page and click Continue. This should take you to the next part of the setup process. From here, click Open Google Sheets. That will bring you directly into the sheet-based dashboard where your mail merge will be built and managed. Now it's time to prepare your contact sheet. At the top, click File, then click Open, and upload your spreadsheet if it's saved on your computer. If your contact list is already in Google Sheets, you can open it from there instead. The key thing here is to make sure your sheet is organized properly. You want clear column headers like first name, last name, email address, company name, or any other custom field you want to use in your email. The more organized your sheet is, the easier the merge will be. If you want the emails to feel more personal, add the information you want to reference inside the message. For example, if you include a first name column, you can greet each person by name. If you include a company column, you can tailor the message to their business. This is what makes mail merge so effective. Once your sheet is uploaded and open, click Extensions from the top menu. This is where the YAMM add-in lives. From the Extensions menu, select Yet Another Mail Merge for Gmail, and then click Start Mail Merge. Give it a few seconds to load, because depending on your browser and connection, the tool may take a moment to prepare everything before showing the merge options. When the setup screen appears, you'll need to enter your sender name. This is the name recipients will see in their inbox, so choose something professional and easy to recognize. If you're sending as a business, use your business name. If it's for personal outreach, use a name that clearly identifies you so people know who the email is coming from. After that, select your email template. Your template should already be written in Gmail, and this is where your personalized message will come from. If you want the email to feel more customized, make sure your template includes merge fields that match the column names in your Google Sheet. For example, if your sheet has a first name column, your email can automatically insert that name for each recipient. This is one of the most important parts of the process, so double-check everything carefully. Make sure the placeholders in your template match the data in your spreadsheet exactly. If the names don't line up, the merge may not work the way you expect. Taking an extra minute here can save you from sending emails with errors. Once everything is ready, click Send Emails. YAMM will begin sending your messages through Gmail based on the data in your sheet. If you have a long list, keep an eye on the process and make sure everything is sending properly. You may also want to test with a small group first, especially if this is your first time using Mail Merge. And that's it. You've now learned how to mail merge in Gmail using YAMM and Google Sheets. This is one of the fastest ways to send personalized emails at scale while still keeping your messages organized and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.